guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day of one of our Queensland CJ Owners monthly events. So this month what we're doing is we are having an open day at AK Racing, their workshop, which they're hosting for us. So yeah, we'll be hanging around the workshop, seeing some of the cars they have in. They're going to show us an SST transmission that's been pulled apart and show us some of the common issues it causes. So yeah, should be a good day. Just currently on my way to pick up one of our members whose car is off the road at the moment. So bringing him along with me for the day. But yeah, I'll show you some of the cars once we get there. Okay guys, so unfortunately I didn't pick the camera up a whole lot today and explain what was going on. But yeah, as you can see from the video, basically we all met up, we cruised down to AK Racing, we parked up in their workshop or at the front, we just sort of all hung out for the day. Keith and Alan cooked us a barbecue for lunch, so yeah, it was great. And yeah, we just sort of learned a bit more about the cars. They had an SST transmission pulled apart for us to look at and see the parts that go into it and common issues. Had a cracked manifold there, cracked exhaust manifold, and a few parts there to show us good upgrades to get. And at the end here we just had a bit of a Q&A session where they sort of answered any questions we had, ran through some common upgrade options, some common problems you can have with servicing intervals, and yeah, sort of anything we needed to learn. They were happy to teach us. So yeah, I just want to give a massive thanks to AK Racing. Opened their shop up for us on a weekend, came in, let us all park the cars up, and yeah, sort of hang out, and yeah, it was a great day. So if you have an Evo 10 or Ralliart, basically any car, but especially an Evo 10 or Ralliart that has the SST, make sure you are in Queensland, so you take your car to get serviced. They'll definitely look after you. But yeah, I will end the video here. I'll just put a few rolling shots I've got of some of the cars on the way home. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please feel free to like the video, put any comments you have down below, and possibly just consider subscribing to the channel. It'd be a great help. I'm trying to grow the channel up still, and yeah, I'm trying to put a video twice a week. So if Evo 10s and Ralliarts and that type of thing is your scene and videos you want to see, then yeah, consider subscribing. But until next time, I'll catch you guys later.